Almost everybody buys products online nowadays, but who actually goes further than the first or second results page? The answer is not many. So how do you land a high position on the SERPs? Simple, by optimizing your website using SEO strategies. To get you started, we have 5 tips for you to take on board. Number 1, keyword research. You need to find what you and your competitors are ranking for. This will be terms that your customers are searching for. Without this knowledge, you can't possibly move on to the next step. Number 2, OnPage SEO. This helps you target relevant high-quality potential customers by making the most of the keywords you researched. They then need to be used throughout your website. In addition, you will also need to focus on internal linking, site architecture, and website usability. Remember, the longer someone engages with your site, the higher Google will rank you. You don't want visitors bouncing off your page because of poor on-page SEO basics. Number 3, mobile optimization. More than 50% of people use their mobile to shop. If your website isn't optimized for mobile, you're missing out hugely. Key aspects to watch out for include your page speed and site design. Number 4, site improvements. How many of your pages are showing a 404 error? How fast is your website loading? Problems like these need to be fixed and improved. Google doesn't like it, and neither will your customers. Number 5, content. You need to be creating great content on site and externally using link building strategies. This will build up an image of expertise and also drive traffic. Moving up the ranks isn't always easy, but with these tips, you can get started easily. If you have any questions about SEO, get in touch with us today.